This is the morning of Wednesday, June 12th, 2024. We're at downtown Cleveland Public Square looking at the progress of the bollards installation. You may recall they removed the eyesores that were the concrete barriers. They did that back in April. And last time we did a video near this area, they had dug up this entire area. You can see the bollards are now installed at the crossing paths of Public Square, so you get an idea of what they look like. Pretty basic looking bollards. And then I'm not sure if they've yet installed the Raptor style system that will allow traffic to be shut off going through Superior Avenue, and that traffic would only be buses because cars aren't permitted to do that on a regular basis. Also get a quick glimpse of the Sherwin-Williams building. They finally completed that top triangle part, or most of it. The only part that aesthetically wise from the outside isn't finished is the elevator portion, because they're still doing stuff there, and for some reason that little part of the building, but I'm not quite sure on that. But stay tuned. Sometime this week we're going to be doing a live stream update walk from downtown Cleveland, Ohio for our June 2024 update. They are still doing more work. Like, I can see the sidewalk over there still has some of the paver blocks that would go down into the street are dug up. Yeah. Let us know in the comments what you think of the progress of the bollards. This is supposed to be completed either at the end of June or beginning of July, and it looks like they're on track to do that. Alright, and one more quick update as I walk down here. It does look like the Raptor system has been installed, and if this is them, there's a lot more of them than I thought, because I thought there would only be like two big ones, but you can see they have them going all the way across, so you can raise those up, retractable from the ground, and that will prevent, again, buses, it prevents them from going through, but buses would know to go around the square. The main purpose of them would be if they're holding an event at Public Square, it gives some more assurance that someone's not going to ram through with their car and risk the safety of the people at the event.